You don't really need an occasion for fondue. You can make an occasion from fondue. Hey everyone, it's Anna and today is the day. It's the day of my fondue collaboration. Let's fondue this! Fondue is just a lot of fun. It's perfect for a party. Valentine's Day is coming up. This is a very, very romantic meal. Also, I kind of forgot about this. The big game, you know which one, is also coming up, and you could definitely do a fondue football extravaganza. I'm so excited to see what everyone else made for their fondue videos. I am going to have a playlist in the description down below of everybody's videos. I will add them throughout the day as people upload them. You can also search for the hashtag LETSFONDUETHIS, and all of the videos should come up. Today, I decided not to follow a cookbook exactly. I love Pinterest and I'm constantly pinning like really fun images, recipes, inspiration for projects, all kinds of things. And I pinned this image. It looks like it's from a cookbook. I don't know which one. If you know what cookbook this is from, please tell me because I need a copy. There's a lot of yummy things in this fondue, including our old friend, dried beef. I don't know what I'm gonna do with the rest of this dried beef. Give me some ideas in the comments. I have a lot left. I bet you're dying to see what is in this pot. I know that I am dying to see everybody else's creation, so let's get started. If you'd like to make your own hearty Philly fondue at home, the recipe and all of the ingredients are listed in the description down below. First, I added my milk to a saucepan and let that warm up over a low flame. This should only take a couple of minutes, but you definitely want to keep an eye on it because you don't want your milk to burn. Once the milk was sufficiently warm, I added a block of cream cheese. I gently stirred the milk and cream cheese together with a spatula until the cream cheese was completely melted. I decided to switch to a whisk at this point just to break up any remaining lumps of cream cheese. Once the cream cheese was completely incorporated into the milk, I added ground mustard, green onions, and, of course, our dried beef. I whisked everything into the milk and cream cheese mixture, and then I let this simmer for an additional 5 minutes. This additional cook time is really important because it allows the salt from the dried beef to incorporate into the cream cheese and milk mixture, and that flavors your entire fondue. Once everything was melted together, it was time to transfer it to my fondue pot. Let's say that you want to make some fondue, but you do not have a fondue pot. It doesn't matter. You don't have to have any special equipment to make this. You can bake this in the oven in a casserole dish. You can put this in a little crock pot, anything to keep it warm. I like to melt my fondue on the stove, as you could see, and then put it in the pot to keep it warm. My fondue pot did come with an alcohol burner, but I have never actually used it. I typically go for Sterno. It's this little can of gel. You just want to be really careful with it. Follow all of the instructions when you use it. And I even have a fire extinguisher nearby just in case. I'm overly cautious. I bet you want to see, and maybe you can hear, the bubbly goodness in this pot. So I'm going to show that to you now. Oh gosh, look at that. That is gorgeous. It is bubbly. It is very hot. And I am ready to give it a try. I just have some cut up bread cubes from a loaf of focaccia bread. I warmed them in the oven for a little bit. You can dip all kinds of things into your fondue. Vegetables, meats, crackers, anything that you want. In my last fondue video, I said that I couldn't find my fondue forks. I still can't find my fondue forks. They're somewhere, they exist in this house. I just don't know where they are. So I ordered myself a brand new bouquet of fondue forks. These are wonderful because they are color-coded at the ends, so people can grab their fork and not confuse it with someone else's. Very important. Stab a little bread, swish it around in there. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so good. I can just tell. I can feel it in my bones. Oh, it's gonna be hot too, so don't burn yourself. I may have burned myself a little, but it was totally worth it. This is delicious. I was a little bit unsure about the seasonings at first, but then I remembered how salty dried beef is, and it's perfect. It's kind of a light, creamy, savory flavor. Definitely add this to your list of recipes to make. Delicious. I hope you enjoyed this video. I had so much fun planning this collaboration. Thank you so much to everybody who participated, everybody who watched the videos. Again, you can search for the hashtag #Let'sFondueThis to find everybody else's videos, and I will also include a playlist in the description down below. I'm gonna have some more. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I post content like this just about every week. Thanks again, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!